You know what I love? I love tapas. Hi guys, I'm Duda, a graphic designer who likes to talk about graphic design and pop culture, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to design, yes, this is a design video. We are going to design a logo for a tapas bar. If you watch my videos or you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I love Barcelona and I absolutely love one of my favorite things to do in the city. I know it's basic, but it's just going out for tapas and pinches with my friend. And I even have like a couple of favorite spots. But anyways, well, it's an amazing city, but it's also a place that sparks my creativity and really inspires me when I'm there because everything is so visually interesting. I see so many beautiful posters, signs, brands, packaging on the street. So I was bored one day and I was looking for briefs online, design briefs online to do. And I found this design brief on Let's Brief for this tapas bar called Vida. I'm going to read a little bit about the business for you. So, Vida is a small tapas restaurant founded by Alejandro, a passionate chef from Barcelona. Located in a lively urban neighborhood, the restaurant blends the old and the new, offering both traditional Spanish tapas and creative modern twists on classic dishes. For him, the essence of Spanish life was always about connection, laughter, and the sharing of good food. So I was like, cool. This looks fun. I'm gonna do this because why not? You know, I am low on client projects. I just haven't done like a professional brand design project in, I don't know, maybe, I don't know how long, but a very long time. And I was like, I'm gonna join as a creative exercise. I don't care. That looks fun. And then I was like, wait, maybe I can record this for YouTube, record my design process. And here I am talking to a camera. So let's design together. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, snacks, lunch, whatever. Open your preferred software if you're watching this while designing. Get prepped, let's do this. So I put together a little mood board before starting, as you see on the top left, just so I could, visually understand the vibe I was aiming for. So there's some typography inspo, imagery, color, everything here. I only made one because this is not a real project, but for clients I try to put at least 3 mood boards together, and then I asked them which one they like the most, or if they want to create a 4th one that mixes all of them together. Anyways, so I knew I wanted to incorporate some doodle illustrations, and I was thinking about a more modernist typography, but I definitely wanted something round, like with round corners. So I started to experiment with a bunch of typography, and I didn't look specifically into a round typography because, hello, I can just round the corners myself, and that's what I did. So what I usually do, and I know a lot of designers do the same, I just lay a bunch of typography in front of me and I start excluding the ones I like the least or I don't really see potential, and then I end up with the ones I obviously like the most. In the end here, I was really in between Dazzle and Thrillers because I thought Thrillers was giving more traditional Spanish typography, but it wasn't the vibe that I wanted. And I really liked the shape of the 8 in Dazzle. Like, that got me. After I rounded it, it was, yup, Dazzle it is. Then I was like, what if the I was a lowercase I and the dot was actually an olive? Like, that would be cool. And I tried that, but I hated it because, I don't know, I didn't like how everything was uppercase except the I. I know this can be like a stylistic choice, but I thought it was gonna serve, but it didn't, so I scratched that. However, the little olive icon, it just stuck with me. It was stuck with me. I was like, okay, this logo deserves an olive icon. And the little olive icon, it's really cute. It deserves a place here in this branding. Like, I will find a way to fit this here. But I swear to God, absolutely nothing looked good. I tried so many different things for this freaking olive and they all looked like shit. I tried badge logos. I tried right side, left side, top, bottom, horizontal, vertical, everything. It just looked off and horrible. By now, I was almost certain that I wouldn't use the olive icon. I was almost already like, yeah, you know, okay, maybe I'll just use this little cute icon, but not in the logo. I mean, it's fine, I'll get over it. I'll just have to accept the fact that this is going to be a typographic logo and move on with this project. I guess it's time to move on. Next step. So I started doodling some tapas related illustrations, and I instantly drew an olive, because an olive can be a tapa, with no intentions of using the olive for something big whatsoever, like for the logo. No intentions at all. After all, my mind was still thinking about the cute little icon I came up with on Illustrator. I thought that was the one, you know? I thought it was the one that I had to let it go. Then I exported all of these illustrations to Illustrator after I finished, so I could vectorize them and use them on the menu, probably. I don't know what I was thinking here, but I just knew it was cute. I did some cute illustrations, period. Sorry, I choked myself here. Where am I? I'm kind of lost. Oh, okay. Okay, let's move on to color, I guess. If there's not an olive, it should at least have an olive color, I thought. So I went for this olive green and the reddish orange because it represents the stuffed olive, you know, the ones with the pickled carrot inside, or tomato or bell pepper, whatever. I love those, by the way. I love olives. I wish I could eat a jar of olive. And well, I can't like free will, but I can. That's probably bad for you to eat like a jar of olive. I don't think you should do that. I have a friend. I need to tell you guys this story. My best friend, when they were a kid, they used to drink the juice out of the olive jar. I just gagged. I don't even know. Like, I know some people do this with pickle, which is already disgusting. And I love pickle. At the end of the day, an olive is it's also like a pickled vegetable, right? It's pickled olive. Olives are pickled, but you know what I mean. Like, I mean pickled as in the cucumber pickle. Anyways, I love all of those pickled shit. I love pickled onions. I love pickled carrots. I love vinegary stuff. I'm into that. But to straight up drink the olive juice as a child, that is psychotic. Moving on. I don't know where I was. Okay. I didn't have to think much about color because my mind was pretty made about the colors, because that was a cool concept. And that's when I had my epiphany. I thought the space between the word tapas and the word vida was kind of weird to me. It should have something in between for some reason. Like, I just thought it was weird. And then I was like, wait, they don't love you. I was like, wait, I should use this super cute olive illustration in the middle because it's adorable, and the contrast between the super, you know, neat and clean typography and this kind of like messed up doodle will look amazing. Like, this is a handmade doodle. I did that, and that will look amazing. And I was right. As always. It looked so good. It looked good on the vertical version as well, so I was very, very happy, very pleased with that. Like, I had to pat myself in the back because I think this looks amazing, and I don't care what you think. And then the olive being a different color, chef's kiss, I'm a genius. Bye, thank you. And the best designer of the year award goes to, yeah, exactly, Duda the Creative. Duda the Creative? Who do I think I am? Tyler the Creator? I don't know, I think it's because I was listening to his new album. I almost said Chromatica. I want to say Chromatica. I know it's not. Chromatica, it's Lady Gaga's. It's a Chromacopia. It was so good. And now I think I'm like Duda the Creative. Anyways, yeah, I love everything so far. I even deleted, excluded, ditched, and obliterated out of planet Earth the old original olive icon. Boo, trash, no one cares about you. The new one is better. Now I just needed to figure out how this logo is going to work in black and white, or just one color. And I tried a couple of different formats, but I just used an offset path in the end. You'll see how it turned out later. Time for the menu. And that's the menu. Thank you. I don't have a lot of comments here. I just thought that was nice. So I'm gonna mock everything up and do a little presentation for you guys there, you know, just to show the brand, the entire brand. So brand review now. Roll the drums. That was cringe. And this is how the black and white or one color logo turned out. Guys, I have to be honest, I love this, okay? I didn't put much effort into this, but if this was a real project, I could have done wonders with the whole visual identity. Like, I didn't even fully explore the use of illustrations. I didn't do design packaging. I mean, there's a lot to explore here, and I know I'm good. I know I'm talented. Sorry, but no imposter syndrome here, okay? There's no time and space for this shit here. Then we have the color palette situation here. I already explained the color concept, right? Which I am also very proud of. Now I'm going to show the business card. Here's the thing, I love square business cards, okay? I love them. I think it's something psychological, but when I see just a regular landscape business cards, I'm like, get this out of my face. I don't want this, I don't need this. I'm gonna throw this in the trash. But if I see square-shaped business card, I am immediately interested in your business. It sparks something in me. Hand me that square business card. I need that, I need to keep that inside a drawer that like I'm never gonna see it again forever. Moving on. Okay, now that's the menu. I know it's simplistic, especially because I had a bunch of illustrations and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna use all of this and it's gonna look really cool. Like I'm gonna do a menu with a bunch of illustrations. But then I was like, you know what? That's enough. We don't need to overdo it, you know? And that seems right. Now I'll leave you with some mock-ups. And that was it, guys. That was my design process for logo design, for brand design. I genuinely hope you guys liked it and had fun or got inspired by this video. And I really hope you come back for more content. So thank you so much for watching. I really love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe because that's very important to me. And hit the like button if you like the video. And do all of that. Follow me on my social media. It's here. It's in the description, it's everywhere. So yeah, that was today's video. See you guys in the next video.